Best Ever Toy TV here. How are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. We'll be doing a Hot Wheels downhill racing video for you guys. Check this one out. Simple track. Just a downhill at the start, then 2 power boosters, and this is the finish line. So on which side the flag goes down will determine the winner for the race. So first 2 cars here, the red Nissan 300ZX Turbo versus the Momo Datsun 510. So let's see who wins this race. Set, go! Oh, who wins? 300ZX wins. And the next 2 cars here, black Ford Escort RS 1600 to the right, and the white Stormtrooper from Hot Wheels 2. Let's see who wins this one in 3, 2, go! Oh, Ford Escort wins, right? Ford Escort wins. And the next 2 cars here. Oh, this is a good one. All metal, real riders against this final run ambulance. Ooh, blue card. Who wins this one? Both heavy cars here. The ambulance. Oh, the ambulance lead and wins. The ambulance wins. Next, the white Ford Escort RS 1600 to the right, and this beautiful Jeep here. Let's see who wins this one. Sedan versus pickup. Who wins? Oh, go, go. Oh, okay, by the look of it, the Wrangler wins. The battle of the gassers right now. Check this one out. Chevy Bel Air gasser in red, white, and black versus this jerry-rigged gasser here. Who wins? Who wins? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, looks like a tie. We might have to repeat that race. Okay, go! Oh, Bel Air wins. Yeah, this time it's the Chevelle here, the regular treasure hunt Chevelle versus the Mazda RX-7. RX-7 looks fast. Who will win this one? Who will win this one? Go! Oh, what happened there? We're gonna have to repeat the race. Oh, Chevelle came tumbling, but the RX-7 wins. Next here from Majorette, this is the Camaro here against the Nissan GTR. Who will win this one? Check out the beautiful view here of a downhill track. Go! Oh, yes. And next here, one of my favorite castings this year, Pontiac Firebird against the Spider Mobile. Who will win this one? Set, go! Ooh, Firebird wins. That is good. Check out the winners here of our first round. Firebird, the Datsun, which I made an error. It's supposed to be a 300ZX, but yeah, let's just go on with the race and let's do the battle here. So Majorette versus the Pontiac Firebird. Ooh, let's turn this around. Okay. In 3, 2, 1, go! Ooh, who wins? Who wins that one? Oh, Majorette wins. Yes. So let's go on with the Datsun versus the RX-7. Let's check who will win this one. I really like the RX-7. Hopefully the RX-7 will win. Whoa! Oh yeah, the RX-7 wins. Next race, Gasser here, Bel Air Gasser, to your right versus the black Ford Escort. Remember, this is round 2 of our race. So they are getting ready. Let's see who will win. 3, 2, whoa! Ooh! Escort wins. Something happened to the Gasser. It's topped. Next, Jeep versus the ambulance. Oh, ooh, the ambulance is smooth. So here are the 4 cars remaining. On to our 3rd round. Ambulance versus the black Escort here. Okay, let's go in 3, 2, 1, go! Ooh! Oh, the Escort won that one. The ambulance was leading, but the Escort wins. Amazing comeback by the Escort. Next here, RX-7 versus the Camaro. 3, 2, 1, go! Ooh, Majorette wins! Majorette wins! So here are the finalists. Check this one out. Camaro. Chevy Camaro against the black Ford Escort from Hot Wheels. So it's Majorette versus Hot Wheels for our finals. And let's see here who will win the final. Who will be the fastest car in this downhill racetrack? What do you guys think? Who will win? Who will win? Comment down below. Hit the like button. 3, 2, 1. Oh, the Escort wins. So it's Hot Wheels Ford Escort for the championship. And that is all. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe to our channel, Best Ever Toy TV. Bye bye guys, see you soon, peace out.